16 tenses. 16 tenses. Dari 16 itu dibagi menjadi berapa?
4.
4. Apa saja?
Present,
Present,
past,
past,
future,
future,
past, future.
past, future. Ini dibagi jadi berapa? 4. Apa saja?
Simple,
Simple,
present,
present,
tense,
terus past,
Present
continuous,
continuous,
present
present,
perfect,
present
perfect continuous. The next,
simple
Simple
past,
simple past,
past
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 continuous,
continuous,
past perfect,
past perfect,
past perfect
past
continuous,
perfect continuous. Tidak ada yang buka buku. Terus
simple future,
simple future,
future
future
continuous,
continuous,
future perfect,
future perfect,
future
future
perfect continuous,
perfect continuous. Terus
simple past
simple
future,
past future,
past future
past future
past future
continuous,
continuous,
past future
past
perfect,
future perfect,
past future perfect
past
continuous.
future perfect continuous. Hafal? Hafal belum? Gampang? Hafal? Gampang. It's just piece of cake. Oke. Sekarang kita melangkah ke tenses yang pertama. Untuk membuat kalimat, walaupun itu percakapan ya, tanpa kita mengetahui tenses-tenses dasar, itu akan sulit bagi Anda untuk merangkai kalimat, merangkai kata. Benar enggak?
Iya.
Jadi sekarang masuk ke tenses yang pertama apa?
Present,
Simple
Simple
present.
present tense. Simple present tense. Catat. Jadi nanti tiap tenses buatlah satu lembar, jangan dicampur intensinya, enggak. Tenses satu lembar, besok continuous satu lembar gitu. Jadi biar gampang ya. Simple present tense digunakan untuk membuat kalimat atau untuk menyatakan suatu aktivitas yang terjadi di masa-masa sekarang atau rutinitas. Sudah?
Membuat apa tadi?
Untuk membuat kalimat atau
Oke.
baca ke Mbak Nati, Mbak siapa? Lali aku.
Mbak
Mbak Irda.
Untuk membuat kalimat atau menyatakan ya suatu aktivitas yang terjadi masa-masa sekarang di masa-masa sekarang atau rutinitas.
Dan untuk menyatakan kebenaran umum di masa sekarang. Sudah? Kalimat itu dibagi menjadi dua. Satu namanya kalimat verbal, satu kalimat non-verbal. Ini nanti. Untuk simple present tadi disebutkan untuk menyatakan suatu aktivitas yang terjadi di masa-masa sekarang. Berarti bukan sedang terjadi, tetapi di masa-masa sekarang. Tapi bukan sedang. Contohnya nowadays biasanya, usually, gitu tuh, hari-hari ini gitu-gitu, kayak gitu bisa tuh pakai simple present. Rumusnya apa? Setiap kalimat pasti ada yang namanya bahasa Indonesia masuk subjek. Semua kalimat itu ada yang namanya
Objek.
predikat. Di sini predikat itu apa? Kata kerja. Kata kerja dalam bahasa Inggris namanya verb. Verb one. Ada s atau es plus objek. Saya bicara bahasa Inggris. Bicara apa? Speak. Saya bicara bahasa Inggris. I
speak English.
speak English. Kamu bicara bahasa Inggris.
You speak English.
You
Speak
speak English. Kita bicara bahasa Inggris. We speak English. Mereka bicara bahasa Inggris. They speak English. Kapan kita harus pakai s atau es? Lah, di sini baru ada perbandingan yang namanya subjek itu apa saja? They, we, I, you, he, she, it, Ali, Mindo, Dulgemlo, Painem, Paijas, dan lain-lain. They artinya apa? Mereka. We, kita atau kami. I, no. Saya, you, kamu. He,
Dia.
she,
Dia perempuan.
it, pengganti benda. Mana tadi? Lah, di sini baru kita bisa tahu bagaimana apa yang harus apa aja yang harus menggunakan s atau es, apa saja yang tidak. Dewi Ayu ini verb one-nya pakai s apa enggak? Tidak. Nah, baru tahu kan kenapa nggak pakai speaks? Karena subjeknya Dewi Ayu. Kira harus jenenge Dewi berarti elek kabeh. Kan iki Dewi Ayu. He, she, it, Ali. Verb one-nya ditambah s atau es. Kapan ditambah s? Kalau speak. Contohnya speak ini kan konsonan, ya toh? Berarti ditambah s. Tapi kalau go, ini vokal apa konsonan? Vokal ditambah es. Contohnya seperti itu. Jadi kalau dia perempuan bicara bahasa Inggris,
She
speaks
English.
apa speaks? Speaks
English.
Dia laki-laki bicara bahasa Inggris.
He speaks English.
He
Speaks
apa speaks?
Speaks
English. Mereka bicara bahasa Inggris. They
speak
English. Kita bicara bahasa Inggris.
We speak English.
We speak English. Ali bicara bahasa Inggris.
Ali speaks English.
Yusuf bicara bahasa Inggris.
Yusuf speaks English.
Yusuf
Speaks English.
speak apa speaks? Speaks English. Jangan lupa. Yusuf speaks English karena masuk di sini. Kan itu bukan masuk Dewi Ayu. Pokoknya ingatnya Dewi Ayu ini. Dewi Ayu verb one-nya tanpa s atau es. Selain Dewi Ayu, verbanya pakai S atau ES? Ya. Oke, sekarang tiruan. I speak English.
I speak English.
You speak English.
You speak
We
English.
speak English.
We speak English.
They speak English.
They speak English.
Ali speaks English.
Ali speaks
She
English.
speaks English.
She speaks English.
He speaks English.
He speaks English.
Saya subjeknya, kamu yang melengkapi. Ini mau dicatat dulu enggak?
Yeah.
Rido.
Rido speaks English. I speak English. You speak English. We speak English. They speak English. She speaks English. He speaks English.
Sisi.
She speaks English.
Mindo.
Mindo speaks English.
Mindo dan Tulkeblo.
Mindo speaks English.
Salah. Mindo dan Tulkeblo berarti masuknya apa? They loh.
They.
Nah, berarti
Mindo and
Tulkeblo
speak
speak English. Oke, nanti I. You. We. They. She. He. Rina. They. We. You. I. Ali. You.
You speak English.
We.
We speak English.
They.
They speak English.
She.
She speaks English.
Ali.
Ali speaks English.
They.
They speak English.
You.
You speak English. I speak English.
You.
You speak English. I speak English.
They.
They speak English.
She.
She speaks English.
Rido.
Rido speaks English.
They.
They speak English.
Mindo.
Mindo speaks English.
Ali.
Ali speaks English.
Yusuf.
Yusuf speaks English. I speak
They.
English. They speak English.
You.
You speak English.
I.
I speak English.
We.
We speak English.
They.
We speak English.
She.
She speaks
Ali.
English. Ali speaks English.
He.
He speaks English.
She.
She speaks English.
Sudah. Itu adalah kunci yang benar-benar harus diingat. Kalau kalian paham untuk tense simple present, pasti akan paham sampai tense terakhir. Tapi kalau untuk yang awal kalian itu tidak paham, untuk tenses yang carry akan doing. Hera. Itu untuk positif sentence. Sekarang negatif sentence. Tiap kalimat pasti ada subjek. Karena negatif, perhatikan, maka di sini simple present itu ada do atau does. Ya. Do atau does. Plus not karena negatif, plus verb one, plus objek. Kenapa verb one? Karena di sini sudah ada do does. Maka di sini verbnya kembali ke bare infinitive, verb one biasa. Ya. Bedanya apa? Apa subjek yang pakai do, apa subjek yang pakai does? Kembali lagi ke Dewi Ayu. Kan orang jenenge Dewi. Saya juga bukan Dewi, berarti oleh kabeh. Ya loh. Dewi Ayu pakai do. He, she, it, Ali, Mindo, Tergeblok, Paina, Baca dan lain-lain itu pakai does. Ya. Dewi Ayu pakai do. Selain Dewi Ayu pakai does. Ya. Saya tidak bicara bahasa Inggris. I
do not
yo donot terang apa?
don't
I jadi down.
Down.
Bicara bahasa Inggris.
Speak English.
Dia perempuan tidak bicara bahasa Inggris.
She
Does not speak English. Kalau keterangannya ya bisa every day, sometimes, one day. Apalagi seldom bisa. Ya pokoknya yang enggak pas, enggak sudah, enggak sedang, enggak sudah, enggak sedang ya. Dan terjadi bukan di masa lampau. Sekarang tutorial. Tirukan. I don't speak English.
I don't speak English.
I don't speak English. Oh, no kok. I don't speak English.
I don't speak English.
Bukan au ya. Kalau down itu bawah. I don't speak English kayak anak nonton itu. I don't speak English.
I don't speak English.
You don't speak English.
You don't speak
We
English.
don't speak English.
We don't speak English.
They don't speak English.
They don't speak English.
She doesn't speak English.
She doesn't speak English.
He doesn't speak English.
He doesn't speak English.
Ali doesn't speak English.
Ali doesn't speak English.
Sampai di sini paham belum? Paham? Paham? Saya subjeknya, silakan dilengkapi. I
don't speak English.
You
You don't speak English.
we
We don't speak English.
they
don't speak English.
he
doesn't speak English.
she
doesn't speak English.
Rido
Doesn't speak English.
Rido dandul gemblok. Kok dandul gemblok?
Minto and gemblok doesn't
Don't apa das?
down.
Don't speak English.
Don't speak English.
I
don't speak English.
she
Doesn't speak English.
you
You don't speak English.
they
Don't speak English.
she
Doesn't speak English.
Ali
Ali doesn't speak English.
we
We don't speak English.
Rido
Doesn't speak English.
Minto
Minto doesn't speak English.
Lindo they
They don't speak English.
she
Doesn't speak English.
I
don't speak
You?
You don't speak
we
We don't speak
they
They don't speak
she
doesn't speak English.
he
He doesn't speak English.
Ali
Ali doesn't speak English.
Rido
Rida doesn't speak English.
he
He doesn't speak
She?
English. She doesn't speak English.
we
We don't speak English.
they
They don't speak English.
I don't speak English.
you Rampok I don't English paham dulu you
You don't speak English.
we
don't speak English.
they
don't speak English.
Ali
Ali doesn't speak English.
she
doesn't speak English.
he
doesn't speak English.
Rido
Rido doesn't speak English.
Mindo
doesn't speak English.
we
We don't speak English. I don't speak English.
You don't speak English.
they
don't speak English. She doesn't speak English. He doesn't speak English. Yusuf doesn't speak English.
they
They don't speak English.
Rina and Rini
Rina and Rini don't speak English.
you
You don't speak English.
I
don't speak
we
We don't speak English.
they
don't speak
she
She doesn't speak English.
she
She doesn't speak English.
they
They don't speak English.
we
We don't speak English.
I
don't speak English.
she
doesn't speak
He.
English. He doesn't speak English.
Okay, good. Any
Pak,
questions
biarin.
until sampai negative sentence? Ada pertanyaan enggak?
Enggak.
No question? Do you understand? Yes, I have understood.
Yes,
Yes, atas. Do you get it? Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Jangan. Do you understand? Yes, I stand under you. Kamu mana nih sorry. Oke ya. Sekarang interrogative sentence. Kalimat apa interrogative sentence itu? Pertanyaan. Kalau negatif sentence-nya seperti ini, kira-kira interrogatifnya piye? Adik jangan mengganggu. Do atau does plus subject plus verb one plus object that. Penggunaannya seperti apa? Sama. Apakah kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? Do you speak English? Dewi Ayu pakai do. Selain Dewi Ayu berarti pakai das. Dewi Ayu pakai do. Selain Dewi Ayu pakai das. Kuncinya itu. Paham? Berarti apakah kamu bicara bahasa Inggris?
Do you
Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Apakah dia perempuan bicara bahasa Inggris?
Does
Does she?
speak
Does she?
speak English?
Speak apa speaks?
Speak English.
Speak English. Paham? Gampang? Gampang. Terus kalau sudah begini, kapan kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? Kapan itu apa? When. Kalau ada biasanya di pelajaran itu sering keluar tuh nih simple present ini. When. Pakai rumus ini langsung. When do you speak English? Jadi orang asal ngomong kemarin itu tak denger itu. Wes asal rapopo. Ada penting wani ngomong. When. Where. Why. When, where, why. How do you speak English? Bagaimana kamu bicara bahasa Inggris? How? Oke, seperti itu. Kira-kira paham belum sampai sini? Mau dicatat? Oh, saya urung miteran. Saya subjeknya, Anda yang melengkapi. Orang salah ndelok ini, ini terus. I. Sentence I.
Do I speak English?
You.
Do you speak English?
We.
Do
English.
He.
It does.
Wale-wale. They.
Do they speak English?
She.
Does she speak English?
Ali.
Does Ali speak English?
You.
Do you speak English?
I.
Do I speak English?
She.
Does she speak English?
He.
Does she speak English?
He.
Does he speak English?
They.
Do they speak English?
She.
Does he speak English?
You.
Do you speak English?
We.
Do we speak English?
He.
Does he speak English?
I.
Do I speak English?
You.
Do you speak English?
We.
Do we speak English?
They.
Do they speak English?
Any
English?
They.
Do they speak English?
We.
Do we speak English?
I. Bingung berarti.
Do I speak English?
She.
Does she speak English?
He.
Does he speak English?
Yusuf.
Does Yusuf speak English?
Oh, sorry,
Do you speak English?
We. Liane batin dalam
Do
hati.
we speak English?
He.
Does he speak English?
She.
Does she speak English?
Ali.
Does Ali speak English?
They.
Do they speak English?
You.
Do you speak English?
I.
Do I speak English?
He.
Does he speak English?
She.
Does she speak English?
Ali.
Does Ali speak English?
They.
Do they speak English?
She.
Does she speak English?
Minto.
Does Minto speak English?
Keblo.
Does Dul Gemblo speak English?
You.
Do you speak English?
I.
Do I speak English?
We.
Do we speak English?
She.
Does he speak English?
He.
Does he speak English?
Ali.
Does Ali speak English?
Sisi.
Does Sisi speak English?
Sisi dan Sasa.
Do Sisi and Sasa speak English?
Okay. Any questions about it?
Not yet.
Any questions about it? Ada pertanyaan? Any question about it?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Do you want to write it down? Do you want to write it down? Mau menulis?
Yes.
Okay.
They speak English.
We.
I
We
speak
speak
English.
English.
He.
He speaks English.
She.
She speaks English.
She speaks English.
Ali.
Ali speaks English.
They. Sekarang yang negatif ya.
Jangan itu terus diulang-ulang terus dulu.
They.
They speak English.
We.
We speak English.
You.
You speak English.
They.
They speak English.
She. Hello. You.
She speaks English.
He.
He speaks English.
Nana.
I
don't study English.
Ali.
Ali doesn't study English.
She
She doesn't study English.
He
doesn't study English.
Nana
Nana doesn't study English. He doesn't study English. Subinta doesn't study English. Don't study English.
I
Ali don't study English.
she
She doesn't study English.
you
You don't study English.
I
Don't study English.
we
don't study English.
and they
Don't study English.
she
Doesn't study English.
he
Doesn't study English.
Ali
Ali doesn't study English. Open speaks English. Enggak sih? Open speaks Malaysia.
Afif
Afif speaks English.
I
I speak English. Apa?
you
You speak English. She speaks English. India. Yes.
Nurul
Indian.
Jadi kalimat nonverbal itu adalah kalimat yang tidak ada verbnya. Setiap kalimat nonverbal itu posisi verb di kalimat verbal diganti to be. Berarti kira-kira kalimatnya positif piye? Subjek plus to be plus objek. Negatif subjek plus
Do atau
kan tidak ada duda sini.
to be
Plus
not
plus
object.
objek. Interrogatif
To be
plus
subject.
subjek plus
Object.
objek. Kok pintar, makme opo gaplek.
Kejagung.
Ya, contohnya begini. This is my pen. Ya, ini pensilku. Kan tidak ada kata kerja. Ya toh? This is my pen. Dia perempuan seorang guru. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Saya seorang murid. I am a student. Dia laki-laki adalah guruku. He is
My
teacher. Dia perempuan, bukan temanku. She is not atau isn't my friend. Kamu bukan ibuku. You aren't
my mother.
my mother. You are my mother.
You are my mother.
Apakah dia temanmu? Apakah dia laki-laki temanmu? Is he temanmu? Your friend. Ini kita bahas besok. My, you itu namanya pronoun ya. Is he
Your friend.
Ini namanya yes no question. Jawabannya kalau yes. Kalau you berarti kan apakah kamu bicara bahasa Inggris, kan ditanya saya, berarti yes I do. No she doesn't. Yes she does. No she doesn't. Yes I do. No I don't. Tuh. Ya, terus contohnya, apakah ini bukumu? Jadi apakah dicari bahasa Inggris nggak ada. Apakah itu ya rumus ini sudah artinya apakah. Ya, kadang yang nggak tahu. Apakah kamu punya pensil? Apakah ya nggak no. Apakah kamu punya pensil? Do you have a pencil?